Hi. A very often asked question is especially after class 12th when people have already chosen their subjects. So they want to know what are the career options available to them. Today I'm going to talk about what are the career options that are available if you've taken biology as a subject in class 12th. Biology is a very interesting subject and open doors to many interesting careers. If you have interest in medicine, this is one of the first career that comes to the mind. And if medicine is not your choice, there are around 50 odd careers that you can think of. For example, if not MBBS or medicine, then paramedical courses come into picture. So there are many things available like dentistry, physiotherapy, medical lab technology, pharmacy, and like these there are so many careers. One can also think about going into alternative medicine like Ayurveda, homeopathy, for whom the acceptance also is fast increasing. Even a career in medicine for animals, that is career as a veterinarian, is also fast catching up. There are good options and one also gets placement very quickly after completing these courses. If medicine or paramedic don't interest you that much, you can think about fast emerging careers and areas like biochemistry, bioinformatics, biotechnology, microbiology, which also opens doors to research in these areas. So you can think about, or if you're interested in areas like doing research in medicine, in improving health of people, there are so many options that are available. If per se biology or plant or animal science is something that you love to study, then career in agriculture as a horticulturist and as an animal and plant scientist is also another option that you must think of. There are many good agriculture universities in India that offer wonderful courses. Areas like food technology, animal sciences, plant sciences, as a plant breeder, in genetics, they are fast emerging and good institutes offer wonderful placements right after you complete those courses. So there are so many options that are available to you. So you would be thinking like, I've already heard of 30 odd careers here. So how do I choose which of these is most applicable? The eligibility criteria is the same subjects. But if you have to choose out of these wonderful courses, you must see what is your aptitude and what is your personality. Because requirement in these careers differ from each other. As they lead to different careers, lead to different areas where you get employment, the course requirements are different. So you must see where your strengths are lying. So take an aptitude test to choose from the wonderful career options that are available to you after taking biology in class 12th. Thank you.